Got rust? Get ready.
Here we go, here we go.
We're here to talk to you today about an exciting new addition to the Dupli-Color Professional series called Rust Eliminator. Rust Eliminator is a water-based and fast-acting formula available in 4 different sizes. First, we have a spray bottle, which is an all-in-one application that has excellent hang on vertical surfaces. Next up is our regular gel, which is meant to be applied with a chip brush and is meant for larger projects such as full frame application. And then we have our 2 liquid versions, one in a gallon and one in a quart. The liquid is meant to be poured out into any container that's not metal, and then you can submerge smaller rusted pieces in that. So we have the socket wrench that somebody's left outside. It's obviously seen better days, and we want to bring it back to life, and we can do that thanks to Dupli-Color Rust Eliminator. Rust Eliminator is a reusable formula that can be used again and again. Additionally, it's a concentrated formula that is very fast acting. Also, it can be diluted 1-to-1 with water for larger items. So we also have this wheel that obviously the weather has taken a pretty good toll on it. So we're going to use our Dupli-Color Rust Eliminator gel to bring it back to life and eliminate that rust. First thing we're going to do is take a wire brush and remove all that loose rust. Then we're going to come along with our Rust Eliminator spray gel, which again is an easy all-in-one application and has excellent hang on the vertical surfaces. So we're not even going to turn this wheel over. We're going to eliminate the rust as the way it stands. And this is very easy. It's just like spraying any other spray bottle that you have laying around your house. So as you can see, I'm not using gloves with this project. And that's because Dupli-Color Rust Eliminator is a water-based, friendly, and easy-to-use formula. Unlike other rust removal products that contain phosphoric acid, which is pretty harsh. All right, so we had our wrench soaking and now all the rust is removed. So I'm just gonna take the wrench out and the socket. And I'm gonna pour the solution back in the container because keep in mind, it's a reusable formula. So for when I need it the next time, it'll be ready to go. All right, so we just finished rinsing this wheel off and it really is a huge difference as you can see. And look at this wrench, the before and after. What a difference that is. For more information about this product or any others, visit our website or follow us on social.